Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Now we are going to make Bhaji Milagai Chutney. I'll show you the ingredients. So to make Bhaji Milagai Chutney, I have got 250 grams of Bhaji Milagai and 3 medium-sized Bangalore tomato. I have sliced Bhaji Milagai and tomato like this. Now let's start cooking. On the stove, just 4, 5 to 6 teaspoons of gingerly oil. Then add this Bhaji Milagai. Cook it till its color changes. See, now Bhaji Milagai is getting cooked. We no need to add red chilli because already this Bhaji Milagai itself has spice. Those who want more spice maybe can add 2 red chilli extra. Now add cooked Bhaji Milagai. And raw tomato. Add little salt. We have to grind it. We no need to add water while grinding in mixie because tomato itself gives water. See how beautiful orange color puree has come. Now let's on the stove just pour 2 spoons of gingerly oil and add this puree. Let it get boiled for 10 minutes. If salt is not adequate, just add salt. That's it. See, now this yummy Bhaji Milagai chutney is ready. See the consistency. It should be like this.